For number 5 through 16, it's asking us to express the equation in exponential form. So every logarithmic equation has an equivalent exponential form and vice versa. So it's kind of like a fraction and a decimal. If you have 0.75 and 3/4, those are the same thing. They're just two very different ways of expressing the same thing. So just like we can convert decimals to fractions and vice versa, we can convert logarithmic forms of an equation to an exponential form of the equation. So in order to transform this, I want to take 3 raised to the 4th is equal to 81. And that'll be our answer. It's always good to look at that exponential equation to see if it's actually a true statement. And 3 raised to the 4th does give you 81. So this is an equivalent way of saying log 3 or log base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. You could also say 3 raised to the 4th is 81. On number 6, if I transform it, it's going to be 4 raised to the 0 is equal to 1, which is also a true statement. For number 7, if we transform it, then it's going to be 5 raised to the negative 1 is equal to 1/5. This is true because that negative 1 as an exponent is going to move it down to the denominator. And then lastly, number 8, if I do 3 raised to the x is equal to 5, there's no really way to tell if this is true or not because we have a variable there, but this will be the correct exponential form of the equation.